know I'm on the way. That's it. Never know what he's got cured in them buckets. Probably some Orochimaru near level fire. She said, "What type of cigar is that?" Oh, these are the type of cigars I actually smoke. Because, sis knew to ask me ahead of time. And because I keep it consistent, I keep telling y'all, it's all green and black with me. These are the green leaf, not really leaf, green hemp wraps, okay? Shout out to the wild hemp. I get the natural flavor because they're the green ones, and they're the natural flavor, so therefore they don't have any flavor to them. That means you taste and smell your natural flavor of whatever you put in here. Same thing I'm smoking right now. Shout out to these wild hemp naturals, and then as you look, they're also 4 for 99¢. You dig? Yeah, 4 for 99¢. Make that make sense. The price is going up. You already know, so you better hurry up and get them for the low. yeah, we stock up on them. That's why I said I appreciate her putting them in here. Although those were the things that made that 2 pieces of glass fall, because I was handling them. Said I was trying to get my cigars, and it made the damn candle in the damn jar fall. So I had 2 pieces of glass break off. It's like, how do I say goodbye to my homies? Now here's the other candle, which is the one that I actually did like when I seen it. Because I seen it already. And she got me this one. It's a CBD candle. Yeah, CBD candle. You dig? We got that in the house. Izzy pop in the building, get to see how you doing. But oh yeah, that smells awesome. Hey, this was when I was definitely gonna be burning in here when I'm in here. Let the ladies have them some CBD tranquility too, right? Don't be stingy with it, corn. And now I've collected my gift bag. So if I have to give anybody a gift anytime soon, they will be receiving it in said bag. As deemed by the name. The bag of the gifts. Oh, well, shit, as mom, you should already know the same thing you've been buying your kids. Hell, coming up, we got some socks. She got me the green and black Mountain Dew socks. Y'all already know what time it is. You know what I'm saying? Quit playing with sis. She wasn't playing out here. Then here's the other pair. Yeah, that's 2 pair of Mountain Dew socks. Yep, let's make it 3. You dig? Those are going to be good weekend socks for me because I put them on every weekend on your boy. And then she got me some green and black cannabis leaf socks. Shouts out to the Chronic 2025. Detox, we didn't do that album with Dr. Dre. He'll probably do something else for us. You know how he got us. He got us. You know what I'm saying? Trust the process. Yeah, trust the process. Dr. Dre will handle us an album sooner or later. Then of course she got me this memory foam travel pillow. That might come in handy when I'm on my way to Vegas. Because y'all know we are going to MJ BizCon this year, so we'll be out and about